Well, that noise can mean only one thing. It's another dash cam drive-through, a town in South Carolina. This is actually a decently sized city, not a town, though today. And you may say, well, I've never heard that sound before. Well, it's meant to mimic an electric current, or it's the noise that most mimic it that I like as well, as we are visiting the electric city of South Carolina, Anderson. Anderson is the county seat of Anderson County. This was my first time ever visiting the city, and I just drove through it. I got directions to town center as I was jogging off of my pathway home from Helen, Georgia, and I stopped to get gas because it was so cheap outside of Anderson. And so I said, why, I might as well just drive through it and visit it for the first time. So I got directions to the town center. And so this is what we get. Here is a dash cam drive through the electric city. First city with electricity in South Carolina. At least that's what I'm pretty sure of. And just enjoy it. It is in double speed except for the part that runs through the exact downtown part where you'll see some beautiful Christmas lights. Now, unfortunately, the Christmas lights seem to kind of interact with the dash cam, so they don't look as pretty. They look like they're twinkling when they're not, but you'll still see them enough to know what they are and to enjoy them. Another quick little tidbit, whenever I was driving through Anderson on this date, I believe Westside High School is in Anderson, and they defeated South Florence for the state championship, so that was pretty interesting, or interesting timing, really, not necessarily interesting that they won. But like I said, this is Anderson, South Carolina. I'll put on some music and just let you guys enjoy the double speed until it gets to regular speed in downtown and then goes back up. Oh, and by the way, that noise is just to indicate that a transition has occurred. I thought it would be kind of something different on this video because of the nickname of the town and whatnot. It may be terrible, and some of you may hate it. I may even hate it, but it's just one video. We'll make it through. So, once again, enjoy Anderson, South Carolina.